Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned refried beans. First, select your preferred canned beans, such as pinto or black beans. Next, gather a few basic ingredients like oil, onion, and your favorite spices. You will then follow a straightforward process of sautéing, mashing, and simmering. This method ensures you create flavorful, creamy refried beans right in your own kitchen, perfect for any meal. To begin, you'll need 1 standard can of pinto or black beans, drained and rinsed well. For that authentic flavor, have about 1/4 cup of oil or lard ready. Next, finely chop 1/2 cup of onion and mince 1 clove of garlic. Finally, prepare your seasonings. A teaspoon of cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to taste are excellent choices. Start by heating your oil or lard in a skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, sautéing them until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, add your drained and rinsed beans to the pan along with your chosen seasonings. Begin mashing the beans with a potato masher or fork, stirring occasionally as they simmer gently for about 10 minutes. As your beans simmer, you can adjust their consistency by adding a few tablespoons of water or broth until they reach your preferred thickness. Always taste your refried beans and add more salt or spices if necessary to perfect the flavor. Serve these delicious homemade refried beans warm. They are wonderful as a side dish, in burritos, or as a dip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.